Get into a car with value. 2024 Nissan Versa. This sprightly Versa offers a host of features to keep you secure, comfortable, and connected. From impressive standard driver assist tech to an upscale cabin and touchscreen infotainment, this clever compact is ready to take you places. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control, variable speed intermittent wipers. Feel relaxed and confident when you're behind the wheel of this multi-talented Versa. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.